right? The different life cycle models or different methodologies are predictive model, iterative model, incremental model, agile model, and hybrid model. Okay, so we will be discussing this more detail as we move on. But here the introduction is what is predictive model? If everything is good, everything is clear, then you will go for a predictive model. In the predictive model, we will go by sequential life cycle model, meaning we will go finish one phase and then we will go to the next phase. That is called as predictive life cycle model, or it's also called as a plan driven approach. Okay, in the iterative model, what will happen? We'll do the same thing again and again. For example, if the number of bugs are higher, we'll keep on doing testing until everything is clear. Then that is called as iterative approach, meaning the same phase is done again and again. Right? In the case of a incremental model, let's say I have a 10 modules. I finish one module and then give it to the customer. Then go to the second module, then deliver it to the customer. Then go to the third module, then you deliver. So incremental means what? Addition. So we will go one by one. That is called as incremental. Whenever we have a dynamic requirement, right, we will go for an incremental. Or we need to deliver something to the customer very quickly, then we will go for a incremental approach. So iterative means first time right. Incremental means we need to deliver something quick to the customer. The next one is called as agile. Agile is both iterative and incremental. Those of you who does not know about agile, need not worry, we will be discussing that more detail, right? In the fourth day I told you. So the hybrid is a combination of agile and, if for example, in a project you have let's say you have a 10 phases, right? One phases can be iterative, another one can be incremental, another two phases can be agile, and the last one can be predictive. It's up to you because it is between two phases only, right? So based on that, actually we are trying to sequencing it. So first you need to understand there are different life cycle model now. They are, number one is predictive, number two is iterative, number three is incremental, number three is hybrid, and then agile.